Yay, it's time for another one of these. Let's see. Okay, I got the stove on. First try this time. Man, I hate the fact that there's... The exposure over here is terrible because you have shade being completely thrown on the pot, and then everything else is black, so the lighting is terrible. So that's fun. We're supposed to be making raviolis, but does this look like raviolis to you? Yeah, that's not raviolis. Close enough, though. They're pierogies, but that's close enough, right? I think so. Normally you don't make them with sauce, but I don't care. What's a little marinara sauce? I don't think that matters too badly. This is just kind of weird because, like, now I'm just known for making these cooking videos, and I don't know if I like that or not. It's kind of funny because it gets new subscribers and it gets people to actually watch your other videos, but at the cost of, dang, is that all I get to be known for is making cooking videos? Yeah, it's not a very great trade-off. It's a tech channel, not a cooking channel. If I'm gonna make cooking videos, I might as well make another channel for that, but no. This is just supposed to be for funny, goofy videos. So, I don't know. I already have, like, 2 more ideas into the future. I think next week is rice. Although I might do another video now with actual raviolis if I can get my hands on some of those. Then it's rice, then it's grilled cheese. Then I gotta think about what to do beyond that. Grilled cheese is gonna be nice, because that's actually gonna be different. I don't know what rice would technically be considered, but I don't think it's a noodle, but it's close enough to a noodle in the cooking process that I think it still kind of falls under the category of no-effort noodles. So, I mean, this is going to at least be fun. Also, yeah, now we've gotten to the point where it's just nothing to talk about. But, yeah, now there's just ambience of FNAF, so that's fun. I mean, I don't really care, to be honest. It's not that bad. But, yeah, we have... Oh, wait. The fun sound of, unsealing the sauce for the first time. That's nice. But, I have been informed that rice is a grain, so that makes sense, I guess. I don't know what else I would call it, but that does make sense. Yeah, I'm also hungry. Also, today went horrible. I was gonna make, like, 2 videos about how to change your thermal paste and how to change your thermal paste in a PS4 Slim. But, one, I fried my, CPU trying to record that, thermal paste video, so that's not getting uploaded anymore. That's fun. Because essentially what happened is, I don't know, I guess somewhere in the process I fried something on the CPU, and because normally you can tell if something's short-circuited by, if you turn on the PC, it will shut off after like 10 seconds and then it turns back on again, and it almost kind of boot loops, except instead of a boot looper you usually get a post screen like on iPhones, how it just shows the Apple logo and then restarts. This, there was no post, absolutely nothing. So I narrowed it down, and eventually I got to the point where it would only do that short thing if I plugged in the CPU. At least I had a motherboard and CPU on standby, so that is currently being installed as we speak. As for the PS4 Slim video, that just got completely destroyed by the fact that I kind of did that in like 2.5 hours, as it ended up being the fact that it wasn't gonna be recorded in one go. I mean, it was a quick endeavor if you take the time of me doing all of it, but it was like 7 minutes to get into it. Took a couple seconds to actually get the thermal paste and clean that stuff off, and then it was like maybe 10 minutes to get everything put back together. And now the PS4 runs great, except for the fact that it took like 2.5 hours because I was swapping between my PC and that. Something I realized is that it's gonna suck getting the PC together, not because of anything else. I mean, the convenient timing of this is I really want to get a PC upgrade for Christmas, which I'll definitely make a video on if I actually can get that for Christmas. So, you know, because this isn't like a new PC. I'm literally going to ask for new motherboard, new PC, and new RAM. Not new PC, new CPU. But, yeah, so that's going to be a good video if I can actually do that. But also, I remember, because for anyone that builds PCs, you know that there's like those front panel connector pins, and how they're kind of annoying to do sometimes. I stink at doing those. Like, I get them wrong at least 7 times per attempt, or just whatever, so that's fun. But, yeah, now I have to deal with that for about a month and a half, which, it's not that bad. It's like last year how my 2DS got completely crushed a couple weeks before Christmas, and then I got a 3DS from a friend. Although, except for that, is I still haven't fixed the 3DS. I still need to buy a new LCD for the 3DS. So that's fun. Maybe that'll have to be what I do once I can get a bank account and set up stream donations. Just set up donation goals for video projects, because that's actually probably a good idea. Because especially since it's actually kind of funny the amount of people that said they would actually donate to the streams if I had that set up. Which 90% of me doubts that they would actually do that, but the other 10% kind of says, hey, what if they do, you know? But then I would actually be able to get videos made a lot more often, and I'd be able to do more videos instead of getting like maybe $40, $60 per year, and that's it. So, you know, I mean, with the exception of like my birthday and Christmas, that is it. That is the convenience of my birthday and Christmas. They are spaced out enough where you don't get the dilemma of people give you gifts as your birthday and your Christmas gift. I just feel bad for people that are born in December and January because they have to deal with that, and that's not fun. So, yeah, I get the convenience of like getting a nice like 6-month separation. Actually, no, it would be exactly... Yeah, it'd be an exact 5-month difference. That's nice. So I get that convenience of the fact that birthday is decently separated. Also, I might want to adjust the camera. There we go. That might be the first time in one of these videos that I've actually separated. I've actually changed the camera angle. Woo, so different. I like how I do all these hand motions, yet you can't even see me. Hello. But it's just goofy because I do all these hand motions when I'm talking, yet you can't even see me. So it's like, what is the actual point? I don't know. Let's see how the water is doing. No difference. Literally no difference. We can put in the pseudo raviolis soon. You know, let's do it now. I don't feel like it. And now we come to the decision. Do we do it all? Do we do all of them because I want leftovers and I want lunch? Or do we just do some of them? Because also we have a full can of stuff. My hand's getting cold. Let's just do all of them. Alright, let's not splash the water. Good enough. Okay, yeah, I was definitely right about using the big pot for making these. Yay. Proper judgment. I did it. Alright, let me get the strainer. You guys still don't have your privileges of getting to watch the noodles getting strained yet, so you guys still gotta wait. Maybe for the ravioli video, the 5th video special, woohoo. Maybe you guys will get your privileges to watch the noodles being strained. That actually sounds really bad if you think of it out of context, because normally something getting strained is like, you know, a bad thing, like you are getting, you know, straining yourself. That's usually not a good thing. But in noodles, it just means to remove the water from them, so there's a little bit of a double meaning there. So that's just kind of funny. That's right. The English language is just dumb. It does not make a lot of sense. On one side, strain literally means to essentially harm yourself because you are straining yourself. But on the other hand, it just means to remove the water from noodles. So, that's fun. So, yeah, that's just kind of goofy. Oh, forgot to go for a bike ride today. I forgot I was going to do that. But kind of got too caught up in, this. To be honest, I was actually kind of on the edge of making this video for a little bit, but I kind of realized that I also have to get a tech video out this Saturday, so I'm like, no, I need to get this done as soon as I can, so I have more time to prepare, record, edit, and upload a tech video. It was going to be the thermal paste video, but now that has to be scrapped because I cooked a PC in the process, so... yeah, that's... actually, I was going to say that's $200 down the drain, but I'm pretty sure my combination of CPU and motherboard is no more than maybe $70, so it's more like $70 down the drain. It's still money down the drain, so it's not like it's a good thing. So, yeah, that's fun. Man, I guess the one thing that I don't like about recording on an iPhone is the fact that there's no mute button while you're recording. Normally you can do that, or at least I think that's how it was on my old phone, but now I can't do that. I still get the screenshot button though, so that's fun. Let me readjust the exposure. There we go, that's a little better. Yep. But, yeah, we have songs. You know what's kind of funny? The fact that these videos get watch time. These videos should not be allowed to be getting watch time, yet they are, so here we are. I wonder what happens if I try to get some better lighting in this shot, because I have a flashlight that I can literally... So, yeah. So, yeah, there we go. That actually gave some better lighting. So I'll take that. But yeah, so how's it going? We gotta put a little seasoning in there just to make it taste a little better. Well, we gotta put the salt in just so the noodles don't get sticky. So yeah, we are doing probably just the simple stuff. But yeah, nothing special. This seems like a crime. I'm sorry, Polish people, if you're watching this video. You're watching me commit absolute crimes with your food. So that's fun. And we gotta stir all these up. But yeah. Yeah, now that we have kind of seasoned the noodles, they're a little squishy, but they're not gonna be warm yet, so that's amazing. It's 5:50 right now, if you guys are wondering. Or at least that's when I'm recording this video. This is gonna go up on Tuesday, just because 8K rendering takes... No, not 8K. I wish. 4K rendering takes eternity, so... I've gotta wait, essentially, forever to do that. Like, on one of... I think on the second cooking video, it took 8 hours to render in 4K. I keep wanting to say 8K. I would have to have the brand new iPhone 14 Pro or 15 Pro to be able to do that. Although, actually, I think the normal 15 can do the 8K footage now. Because I think now it has the 48 megapixel camera. Which is actually pretty cool. It'd be cool to take some pictures with one of those things. Especially with the new 15, how it has like that Pro Raw thing or whatever it's called. That'd actually be pretty cool to record some videos in that. I think that would look nice. I don't like the new iPhone 15 because I just don't get the design of those. The dynamic island just looks straight up stupid. Like, the newest iPhone that I would actually want to use would be the 13 mini. I don't like the normal size of the 13. I like the 12 mini and the 13 mini, but I'd go with the 13 mini just because it has the better everything pretty much. Maybe down the line. I think my only phone upgrade will it'll definitely be the 13 mini. But I've still got like 3 more years until the 13 series gets cheap. So, wahoo. I could definitely see the 13 becoming a pretty good budget line of phones for used markets. Just because they were really good all around. Like, people actually kind of liked the 13. The 13 was pretty well received when it came out. Just because it was just a solid phone. Nothing wrong about it. Clock sounds, that MP3. It's time to do a stab wound. Alright, it's time to test. This is a little more than that. We actually have to bite. Alright, those are done. Alright, this is where the war crimes part starts. I have to put this into a strainer. Sauce. Alright, you guys don't have your straining privileges yet. That sounds really bad. But it's time to strain. Gotta strain. Alright. This is where the fun begins. Alright, we're putting the pierogies back to ground zero. That also sounds bad. I should just stop talking now. We're gonna let the sauce pouring do its job. We're just gonna hit that little bit of a That's a sound. Alright, now we're gonna switch to the big boy spoon. Let's see if I can even find the spoon. You know what? Close enough. This seems wrong. I feel like I'm just doing a disservice to these now. Wrong stove. This is actually just kind of fun, you know. Alright, now I gotta get my bowl. Alright. We have made our pseudo raviolis. Surprisingly, using the spaghetti grabber 1000. That's what I'm just gonna call this thing now, the spaghetti grabber. I can't remember what it's actually called, but spaghetti grabber it is. Alright. Our food has been made. We have made our food. Yay, fun. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I guess I will see you guys next time in part 5 where we're going to make actual raviolis. Hopefully. Can't confirm. But I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.